Milanote is a visual planning and note-taking tool that claims to help you organize your thoughts and projects in a more creative way. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's dive into what this platform has to offer. Milanote essentially combines the functionality of a note-taking app with the visual layout of a digital whiteboard. You can create boards filled with notes, images, links, and even files, all arranged in a way that makes sense to you. This flexibility is perfect for creative minds, think designers, writers, or project managers who thrive on visual organization. The user experience is quite intuitive. You can drag and drop elements easily, and the layout feels free-form, which can be refreshing compared to traditional text-based apps. However, while the interface is visually appealing, it does come with a learning curve, especially if you're used to more linear note-taking systems. One thing that stands out immediately is the ability to share boards with team members, which fosters collaboration. But on the flip side, it lacks some advanced features that power users might expect, such as in-depth analytics or integrations with other platforms. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive sides, Milanote excels in its visual appeal and flexibility. It's great for brainstorming sessions or when you need to see the bigger picture. Plus, the collaborative features are a bonus for teams. However, there are downsides. Some users might find the lack of structured organization frustrating, especially if they prefer a more traditional note-taking approach. Also, while there's a free tier, the premium features can get pricey and you might feel limited without them. Lastly, if you're looking for extensive integrations with other productivity tools, you might find Milanote lacking. It's really tailored for creative users, so if you're more of a data-driven individual, you might want to explore other options. In conclusion, Milanote is a fantastic tool for visual thinkers and creative professionals who appreciate flexibility in organizing their ideas. However, those looking for a structured, data-driven approach might want to consider alternatives. If you find the visual layout appealing, it's definitely worth giving it a try.